Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be looking at a US Pro 10-piece half-inch drive star bit socket set. 10 pieces, half-inch chrome vanadium S2 bits. Sizes T20, 25, 27, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60 and 70. And the US Pro item number is 3413. I paid £9 for this, I think it was, on Whatnot. I mean, not dirt cheap, but not too expensive either. So let's have a look. What have we got? So slide it out, if I can. Oh, it's actually a metal box. I didn't realise it was metal. It is very heavy though. So here we go. Nice metal box. Oh, these look kind of good. T20. Very chunky. Very chunky indeed. Sorry, I keep saying USA. It's US Pro. Chrome vanadium S2. They look very well made. Corners are rounded as well in the socket. And there's a little indent inside each one as well for the ball bearing to locate it quite tightly. Yeah, they're all fairly decent. They look alright. Got a knurled edge just there. It's not particularly deep, but you can feel it. So I don't think I've got anything bigger than a T40 in my tool set. So don't tend to use anything really bigger, but it's always good to have. They all seem to be really well made. There's some weight to them, really is some weight to them. I like the fact it's in a metal tin. That's unusual these days. It's usually plastics and foam and stuff like that, but this is actually a decent tin. And there's the biggest one, which is the T70. That's a chunky bugger, that one, isn't it? Bloody hell. I don't think I'll ever get to use that, but it's in there anyway. 60, 55, 50, 45. Yeah, I like that. It's cool. Not a bad price to pay as well for all those. Probably only use this side more than this side. These are very large, but it is what it is. Thank you for watching. If you like the videos, like and subscribe. Try and spread the channel far and wide. If you can start doing giveaways and competitions and things like that then. See you again.